Hey, what are you girls doing? Looking for the name of my china?
No, I'm looking at myself.
You like what you see?
I sure do. I can see myself in this plate.
And this glass. And the silver. You've discovered some way to make dishes shine. Discovered something new. Now I wash them the way you should. Enjoy.
That's right. You can take real pride in your dishes. Joy gets dishes more than clean. You get to see yourself shine. Joy is clear, crystal clear. There's nothing to dull dishes, so your china and glasses dry shiny, even the pots and pans. Want to see yourself shine? Get Joy. Get your dishes more than clean with the different dishwashing liquid, crystal clear Joy. Get Joy and get to see yourself shine.
Great.